Rapids receiving a large donation from Spectrum Health.
Yeah, the hospital hopes it will improve the quality of life for people who live there, and the city hopes it'll reduce violence as well. Our Julie Dunmer joining us now in downtown Grand Rapids to better explain. Julie.
Derek and Janice, the city of Grand Rapids is kicking in $75,000 this year with the option to renew that for an additional 2 years to bring the program Cure Violence to the city. But Spectrum Health just made a donation of $300,000. That's bringing them even closer to that reality. After Grand Rapids' deadliest year in 2020, the Office of Oversight and Public Accountability is leading the effort to put an end to violent crime.
So I think we're very close to getting Cure Violence fully implemented in the city of Grand Rapids.
The city is in talks with Cure Violence.
I believe that it is the right tool to help us move forward here in Grand Rapids.
A program that treats violence like an epidemic and de-escalates tensions within the community before they become violent acts. It's never been able to become a reality until now.
We want to improve the quality of life in our communities and our neighborhoods. And by improving the quality of life in our communities and neighborhoods, we will therefore also improve the health status of these communities.
Spectrum saying it's about more than just ending violence.
But we are also committed to reducing the long-term health impacts of stress and anxiety experienced by residents living in neighborhoods prone to violence.
Violent crime and living around it directly affects communities' physical, emotional, and economic health.
East Grand Rapids is majority white. Easttown is majority black. The life expectancy difference in those two adjacent census tracts is 17.8 years. 17.8 years less life for residents in Easttown.
With the city contributing $75,000 for the program each year for the next 3 years, progress is being made, but the city isn't there just yet.
We anticipate there being approximately another $300,000, $350,000 needed to fully implement Cure Violence in its first year.
The Office of Oversight and Public Accountability says they are searching for more community partners to make donations, saying that, again, they're hoping to have this by this summer. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, Julie Dunmer, Fox 17 News.
All right, Julie, thank you. A shooting